Hey guys, this video goes over question 14 from your study guide. So first up, we want to find the total resistance, also known as our equivalent resistance for the circuit. And this is a parallel circuit because our electricity can either go through the 10 ohm resistor or can go through the 20 ohm resistor. So to find our equivalent resistance, we are going to use the parallel formula. So that is going to take the inverse of each one. So it would be the inverse of 10 plus the inverse of 20. And then we take the inverse of that. So when you plug that in your calculator, you are going to get 6.67, and that is resistance, so it is in ohms. So that's part A. All right, for part B, we want to find the current through each resistor. Now, keep in mind this is a parallel circuit, and in a parallel circuit, your voltage through each resistor stays the same. So the 10 ohm resistor here is getting 10 volts, and then the 20 ohm resistor is also getting 10 volts. To find your current through each one, you're going to use Ohm's law, V equals IR. You're going to plug in the voltage that it gets, which is 10, and you're going to solve for I, and then plug in the resistance. So for the top one is 10, so your current through the 10 ohm resistor is going to be 1 amp. Now separately for your bottom resistor, you're going to plug in the 10 volts that it gets, and we're solving for the current, and then we're going to plug in the 20. So it's going to get a current of only 0.5 amps. All right, so for your top resistor, it's going to get, so for the 10 ohm resistor, it's going to get 1 amp of current. For your 20 ohm resistor, it is going to get 0.5 amps. All right, so for C, how much voltage is each going to flow through each resistor? We've actually already answered that. They're each gets 10 volts because in a parallel your voltage is the same. So hope that helps. If you've got any questions, feel free to ask.